Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today for you guys, I have my 2020 month of December pickups. In this video, I'm going to be showing you more than 10 pairs of shoes that I picked up over the time frame of that month. I did pick up quite a few pairs just because it is the month of Jordan brand, where they release a ton of just retros that they've been holding on to all throughout the year for the holiday season. Also, I did pick up a few pairs of Nike basketball, so that did kind of bring up the totals quite a bit. As you can see, I'm never afraid to buy Nike basketball to add to the collection. Before we get started, I do want to mention, if you want to see more shoes that I do own and how I make outfits with my shoes, definitely check out the Instagram at CamGoodwin12. It has the same profile photo as this YouTube channel. Also, if you do enjoy these videos and like this content, please leave a like down below and subscribe. That it means a lot because it really does help out the channel, and I appreciate every single one of you that do hit those buttons. And if you don't want to, that is completely okay. I completely understand. Without further ado, let's get right into these pickups. I'm going to start off with the Nike basketball, and there's no better way to start off Nike basketball than with a Kobe. So to start off the video, I'm going to show you guys the Kobe AD Organs. As you can see, it has the Oregon duck wings and the Oregon colorway all throughout the shoe. Over there in my background, you can see the other Oregon shoe. It has the O on the heel, or at least it should be over there. Here's a closer look at the shoe. I'm gonna go through these pairs relatively quickly for you guys, just so this video doesn't take up too much of your time, because it is going to be a pretty decently long video, I assume. Sticking with Nike basketball, I'm gonna do two pairs at once, because why not? We have two pairs of KD6s. We have the peanut butter and jellies, and also we have the meteorologies. If you want more information on these, I have already put out my KD6 collection that has more details and in-depth looks at these pairs, and I definitely recommend checking that video out if you want to see a better look at these. The next pickup I have for you guys are my LeBron 13 Freddy Kruegers, or Friday the 13th. As you can see, it's just a Freddy Krueger design all throughout. The 13 in the middle and the LJ in the Freddy Krueger font. This is one of my all-time LeBron grails. And now for the next pair, it is the LeBron 10 Low Hardwood Classics. Here's a look at these for you guys. These are brand new. I'm very happy that these are brand new, because they are, I believe, 8 years old now, and for them to still be brand new, it's amazing. That's gonna be it for the Nike basketball portion of my pickups. So now we're gonna get into the just random pairs, and then I'll show you the Jordans at the end. Also, before we get into the other pairs, I do want to mention, if you want a better look at these two pairs in particular, I should have a LeBron collection video already out, or already planned to be coming out after this. It is a two-part series, so definitely be on the lookout for that, because my LeBron collection is definitely my craziest besides Jordan brand. So the next pair I'm going to show you are my Nike Daybreaks Undercover collab in the black and white colorway. As you can see, it has the undercover detailing on the midsole with the undercover logo on the heel, with that big Sakai chunky-esque look to them, even though these came out before the Sakais, I believe. These are a shoe I got for insanely cheap during the big holiday sales that Nike was doing. The next pair I'm going to show you is a pair I didn't really plan on picking up at all. One of my friends just told me he had them for a really good deal, so I picked them up, and they're the Yeezy 50 V2 Statics. I'm basically done picking up Yeezys. They just aren't as cool to me as they used to be. For some reason, they're still comfortable, don't get me wrong. That's why I still pick them up, because they're gonna be a great everyday shoe. Like my Butters, I wear those almost every day. But for the deal he gave me, I had to pick them up. So you cannot go wrong with a Yeezy under retail. Here's just a closer look at these. These are definitely one of the best Yeezy 350 V2s though to come out, in my opinion. So getting into the next pair, these have to be my favorite pair out of every single pair I picked up, and they are the 1-800 Air Force One Lows. As you can see, these are one of the best Air Force Ones that have came out in a while, in my opinion. the 1-800 on the back, the 1-800 on the tongue. The little lace detailing on there is crazy with the phone buttons. This shoe in particular, I have a review video out on, so I definitely recommend going and checking that out if you haven't already. It's definitely one of my favorite videos I've made, and this is one of my favorite shoes that Nike has produced all this year. Now we're getting to the part I'm sure most of you have been waiting for, and it is the Jordan shoes I picked up. So the first pair I'm going to show you are just a simple pair I ended up getting for my birthday actually, and it is the Jordan 1 Low SEs, I believe, in this like greenish yellow, black and white colorway. I did lace swap them and put black in one of the shoes. I just think it looks sleeker and better with the black toe and the black swoosh. But here's just a closer look at these. Just an Air Jordan 1 Low. I haven't had an Air Jordan 1 Low in quite some time now, so I'm very happy I got another pair to add. And they didn't really have many options. It was either this or the pink one, and I just thought this would be a really cool summer shoe to wear with vintage tees and shorts. That's the first Jordan. Going into the next Jordan I picked up, it is probably my favorite, if not top 3 favorite Jordans I picked up this year, and it is the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds with the Nike Air on the back. I ended up getting these for retail, believe it or not. Some people had a really hard time. I just kind of went on there and tried to order them and got them in my size. I haven't been able to wear them yet, but these are definitely a shoe I'll be rocking a lot in the springtime and in the summer, because Jordan 4s are my second favorite all-time Jordan model behind the Jordan 3s. I do have a review out on these as well, so if you want a better look and more history on this shoe, definitely check out that video. And lastly, probably the best shoe out of all my December pickups, and the luckiest pickup, are the Air Jordan 1 Co-JPs in the Midnight Navy colorway. Here's just a close look at this shoe. Has the blue suede all on the upper with that premium white leather and these silver swooshes. The only thing I don't like on these are the Nike Air on the tongue, but that is how they originally came out, so you cannot hate it because it is history. Also, my favorite part, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but it has the 2001 to 2020 on the tongue. On the inside, funny story on these is I didn't try for them whatsoever. I went to the drop, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes late, completely forgetting about them. I just went on Nike sneakers, hit my size, checked out, and I ended up getting them for retail, which I don't understand how that happened, but I'm definitely not complaining because it is navy blue, which is my all-time favorite color on a shoe. Just a great shoe to finish off December with. So that's gonna be everything for my December pickups for 2020. I'm sure I left out a couple pairs here and there, but for the most part, I believe this is the big things I purchased for shoes in the month of December. Sadly, I don't think January will be quite as crazy just because there aren't as many shoes coming out, but don't worry, I'm still gonna have plenty of videos coming out. The new schedule might be a little different because I have some things coming up in the next few months, but I will still be getting content out to you guys, so don't you worry. And it'll definitely be some very good videos. Without further ado, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like down below, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.